Have you ever been left wondering what a woman really means? You know, when she says I'm fine, but her tone says something totally different? We've all been there. Ladies are masters of nonverbal communication, sending out secret signals that sometimes leave guys, well, a little clueless. But don't worry, guys, I'm here to help. Understanding these subtle cues is like having a secret decoder ring for relationships. It's about picking up on those little hints that tell you if she's interested, if she's feeling you, or if she'd rather be hanging out with her pet goldfish. Trust me, mastering this is a game changer. So if you're ready to ditch the confusion and become fluent in the language of attraction, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of nonverbal seduction signs, and believe me, you won't want to miss a single tip. Get ready to up your dating game because things are about to get interesting. Signal 1, the window to her soul. All right, gentlemen, let's start with the eyes. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and that's especially true when it comes to attraction. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how you can get lost in someone's eyes? It's like time stops, and it's just the two of you sharing this unspoken connection. Now, I'm not talking about staring someone down like you're in a staring contest, okay? That's just creepy. I'm talking about that lingering gaze, that look that says, I see you, and I like what I see. Prolonged eye contact is a surefire sign that she's interested. If you want her to know you're interested, you gotta give some of that energy back. Keep it natural, playful, and respectful. Signal 2, unlocking her secret code. Okay, fellas, now that we've mastered the art of eye contact, let's move on to another powerful tool in the nonverbal flirting arsenal: body language. You see, our bodies are constantly communicating, even when our mouths are shut. Pay attention to how she's positioned. Is she angled towards you like you're the most interesting thing in the room? That's a good sign. It means she's open to your energy. She wants to hear what you have to say. On the flip side, if she's closed off, arms crossed, body turned away, well, that's her body's way of saying thanks, but no thanks. And what about those little touches? Does she playfully touch your arm when she laughs at your jokes? Does she lean in close when you're talking, like she can't get enough of your company? These are all subtle but powerful indicators of attraction. A friendly pat on the back is different from a lingering touch on the arm. Pay attention to the duration, the intensity, and of course, that all-important eye contact. Show her you're interested by mirroring her movements. It creates a subconscious sense of connection and harmony. Signal 3, speaking volumes without words. Let's talk about touch, shall we? It's a powerful thing, touch. It can convey warmth, affection, and yes, even attraction. Now, I'm not talking about anything inappropriate, folks. Keep it classy. I'm talking about those light, fleeting touches that send shivers down your spine. Think about it. A gentle brush of the hand, a playful nudge on the shoulder, a light touch on the small of the back as you're walking together. These are all ways of testing the waters, of seeing if there's that spark of connection. Pay attention to her reaction. Does she pull away or does she lean in closer? Does she seem uncomfortable or does she give you a playful smile? And remember, guys, consent is key. Always be respectful of her boundaries and personal space. If she responds positively to your touch, if she seems to be enjoying that physical connection, well, that's a pretty good sign that you're on the right track. Touch is a powerful tool in the art of flirting, but it's a tool that should be used with care and respect. Signal 4, reading between the smiles. They say a smile is the universal language of kindness, and I couldn't agree more. But you know what's even better than a regular smile? A smile that reaches all the way to her eyes, the kind of smile that makes her whole face light up. That, my friends, is a smile that's saying, I'm happy you're here. But facial expressions are about more than just smiles. It's about those little micro-expressions, those fleeting moments of emotion that flash across her face before she even has time to think about it. A raised eyebrow when you say something funny, a slight parting of the lips when you make eye contact, a playful bite of her lower lip. These are all subtle cues that she's feeling the attraction. So guys, next time you're trying to decipher those mixed signals, remember to pay attention to her face. It's a roadmap to her emotions. Signal 5. The secret to instant connection. Have you ever noticed how couples who've been together for a long time start to act alike? They finish each other's sentences, they laugh at the same things, they even start to walk alike. It's like they've become two halves of the same person. Well, that's the power of mirroring, my friends. Mirroring is a subconscious way of building rapport and connection with someone. When we like someone, we naturally start to mimic their behavior, their body language, their tone of voice, even their facial expressions. Now, I'm not saying you should start copying her every move like a parrot, okay? That's just weird. But subtly mirroring her body language, leaning in when she leans in, taking a sip of your drink when she takes a sip of hers, even matching her energy level, can create a sense of harmony and connection. So, guys, next time you're trying to build a connection with a woman, remember the power of mirroring. It's a subtle but powerful tool that can make all the difference. Signal 6. It's not what she says, it's how she says it. All right, fellas, we've talked about eye contact, body language, touch, facial expressions. Are you taking notes? Good. Now let's focus on another powerful tool of attraction, the voice. It's not just what she says, but how she says it. A woman's voice can be incredibly seductive. Pay attention to her tone and pace. Does her voice soften or speed up? These are subtle cues of attraction. And guys, let your voice deepen to show interest. Signal 7. The art of flirting without really flirting. All right, guys, let's talk about the fine art of playful teasing. You see, flirting isn't always about compliments and sweet talk. Sometimes it's about those lighthearted jabs, those witty banter that create a fun, flirty dynamic. Think about it. When you tease someone, you're showing them that you're comfortable enough to be yourself around them. You're not afraid to poke a little fun, to challenge them, to make them laugh. But here's the key. It's gotta be teasing, not mean-spirited. The goal is to make her laugh, not to hurt her feelings. So keep it light, keep it fun, and always make sure she knows you're joking. A wink, a smile, a playful nudge. These are all ways of letting her know you're not serious. So guys, next time you're talking to a woman you're interested in, don't be afraid to inject a little playful teasing into the conversation. It's a great way to build rapport and create a fun, flirty dynamic. Signal 8. The closer the better. We all have our own personal bubbles, that invisible space around us that we feel comfortable with. And when it comes to attraction, those bubbles tend to shrink. Pay attention to how she reacts when you get closer. Does she lean in or back away? Her reaction tells you everything. Respect her boundaries and find that sweet spot. Signal 9. Putting your best foot and face forward. Okay, fellas, let's be honest. Looks matter. We all make snap judgments based on appearance. Putting effort into your appearance shows you care. It's like showing up for a job interview in a suit versus pajamas. Start with good hygiene shower, brush your teeth, comb your hair, trim your nails, and wear clean clothes. Choose outfits that flatter your body type. Add personal style. A cool watch, a stylish hat. Taking care of your appearance shows self-respect. Signal 10. The look that speaks volumes. We started with eye contact, and we're ending with it. Because let's face it, the eyes have it. Those lingering glances, those stolen moments of eye contact, can be more powerful than words. It's the kind of look that makes your heart skip a beat, that sends shivers down your spine. When we're attracted to someone, our eyes are naturally drawn to them. So guys, if you catch her stealing glances at you, don't be afraid to hold her gaze for a moment. Let her know that you're feeling it too. Remember, the eyes are the windows to the soul. Well, there you have it, gentlemen. We've decoded some of the most common nonverbal signals women send when they're interested. From those lingering glances and playful touches, to the subtle shifts in body language and tone of voice, there's a whole secret language of attraction happening beneath the surface. Now that you're in on the secret, pay attention. You'll be amazed at what you start to notice in your everyday interactions. Remember, communication is about so much more than just words. It's about those unspoken cues, those subtle signals that tell us so much more than words ever could. So go forth and conquer, gentlemen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more dating and relationship advice. And leave a comment below letting me know which secret signal surprised you the most. Thanks for watching. And remember, you're all amazing, and you deserve all the love in the world.